The Chinese water deer is the only deer species that does not have antlers, but rather long canine teeth. The coconut crab is the largest terrestrial arthropod, and it can crack coconuts with its powerful pincers. The satanic leaf-tailed gecko has evolved to mimic dead leaves, making it nearly invisible to predators. The star-nosed mole has 22 fleshy pink tentacles around its snout, which it uses to detect prey underwater. The shoebill stork has a massive bill that resembles a shoe and can deliver a powerful bite. The okapi looks like a mix between a giraffe and a zebra, but it is more closely related to giraffes. The fossa is Madagascar's largest predator, resembling a mix between a cat and a dog. The glass frog's abdomen is translucent, allowing you to see its internal organs. The Arctic fox can change the color of its fur with the seasons, from brown to white. The harpy eagle has talons as long as a grizzly bear's claws and can lift prey heavier than itself. The kakapo, or owl parrot, is the heaviest parrot in the world and is flightless. The lygodium fern is considered a climbing fern as it can grow up to 90 feet in a single season. The giant isopod can survive depths of up to 7,000 feet in the ocean. The tube-nosed bat's nostrils are located on its forehead, and its tongue is longer than its body. The aardvark's tongue can be up to 30 centimeters long and is covered in sticky saliva to catch ants and termites. The honeypot ant stores food in its abdomen, swelling to the size of a grape to feed the colony during scarcity. The red-lipped batfish walks on the ocean floor using its modified fins, resembling walking with high heels. The Hercules moth has the largest wingspan of any moth, reaching up to 27 centimeters. The coconut octopus uses empty coconut shells as portable shelters for protection. The hairy frog, when threatened, can break its bones to create claws that puncture through its skin for self-defense. The eye has a long, thin middle finger that it uses to extract insects from tree bark. The Suriname toad carries its eggs on its back, embedding them in its skin until the tadpoles hatch and emerge. The echidna is one of only two egg-laying mammals, known as monotremes. The Watsonchick has claws on its wings that help it climb trees and return to the nest after falling. The hagfish ties itself in knots to remove excess slime from its body. The maned wolf is neither a wolf nor a fox, but a unique canid species. The platypus has electroreceptors in its bill that detect the electric fields generated by its prey. The Komodo dragon's bite can cause severe blood poisoning due to bacteria in its mouth. The Irrawaddy dolphin has a unique forehead, also known as a melon, which helps with echolocation. The star-nosed mole can identify and consume prey in under a quarter of a second. The Dumbo octopus has fins that resemble Dumbo the elephant's ears, helping it move gracefully through the water. The blobfish appears wrinkled and ugly out of water, but it looks different in its natural deep-sea habitat. The glass-winged butterfly has transparent wings, making it nearly invisible in flight. The axolotl, or Mexican walking fish, can regenerate lost limbs and even parts of its brain. The solenodon is a venomous mammal that injects venom into its prey through grooves in its lower incisors. The proboscis monkey has a large elongated nose used to attract mates and amplify vocalizations. The sager antelope can filter and cool hot air during the summer months using its convoluted nose. The leafy sea dragon resembles seaweed and uses its camouflage to hide from predators. The blob sculpin has no swim bladder, making it one of the few fish that walk on the ocean floor. The gharial has long, slender jaws filled with sharp teeth, but primarily feeds on fish. The shoeball stork has a wingspan of up to 9 feet and is known for its dinosaur-like appearance. The lyrebird's tail feathers are shaped like a lyre and are used during courtship displays. The tufted deer has fang-like canines that give it a vampire-like appearance. The longhorn cowfish has 2 long bony horns protruding from its head. The immortal jellyfish can revert back to its polyp stage after reaching maturity, potentially living indefinitely. The spotted lake in Canada contains high concentrations of minerals, creating circular spots when water evaporates. The baobab tree can store up to 32,000 gallons of water in its trunk to survive droughts. The lyrebird can mimic various sounds, including chainsaws and camera shitters.